discussing about the brick-concrete substructure, that is foundation and plane. And in continuation to that, we will be calculating the DPC now. Okay, let's write down how many long walls, short walls are there, how many number of walls are there total. This is what how many long wall and short walls are there. The DPC. Length of long wall A and B is center to center length is 11.9. Plus both the side extra you have to add, that is 2 into and 3 divided by 2. It will be of 12.2. Breadth is 0.3. Height is not considered for calculation because of it is a square meter quantity. This will be a square meter quantity. Okay. Next is of long wall C. Long wall C length is center to center 7.6. Plus both the side you have to add, that is 2 into 0.3 divided by 2. Length will be of 7.9. At this 0.3. And next is long wall D. The center to center length is 3.8. Plus both the side you have to add, that is of divided by 2. That will be 4.1, 0.3, 1.3. Short wall E is of center to center length 7.6 minus both the side you have to deduct, that is 2 into 0.3 divided by 2. It will be of 7.3. That is of 0.3. Similarly, the center line length of F wall is 7.6 minus 2 into 0.3 divided by 2 minus 1 wall reduction you have to do, that is minus 0.3. That will be of 7 meter. That is of 0.3. Height we are not going to consider. Short wall E and H will be of common length, so that will be of 3.3 center to center minus 2 into 0.3 divided by 2. Then it will be of 3 meter. Breadth is of 0.3. Next, I wall is center to center length is 3.25 minus 2 into 3 divided by 2. That will be of 2.85. That is 0.3. Next is J wall, which is also same 2.85. That is 0.3. Next, H wall. No, it is of K wall, not H. Interested center length is of 4.3 minus 2 into 0.3 divided by 2 minus 0.3, because in between one more wall is joining. Therefore, 2 times you have to deduct. It will be of 3.7. That is of 0.3.
Sir, I and J 2.95 length.
2.95. Okay. is 2.95. Therefore, total quantity of DPC will be 19.89. Compare with your previous numerical long wall short central line method, whether you are getting same answer or not. Once you got same answer, go for reductions. But we'll do it now quickly. Door D, capital D, door D1, door D2. Only 3 variety, there is no other components. D is 1 variety and D1 type of doors are of how many? How many D1s are there? Please someone tell me. 4 and 1. 4 and 1. The length of D is how much? 0.9. Breadth is 0.3. Height we are not going to consider. For D1, the dimension is 0.75 and 0.6, 0.3, 0.3. You got the deductions? Sum of deductions would be 1.35. Therefore, net total can be plus minus plus 1. 18.54. That is of net DPC. Once you're done with net DPC, you can calculate for Peacock superstructure. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Because nobody is reacting, so we need to verify in between. Brickwork in superstructure. Brickwork in superstructure can be calculated by considering the same long wall, short walls. That is of at the same numbers. Calculate dimensions. Length of long wall is 11.9 plus both the side. You need to add extra length, that is 0.3 divided by 2. That will be of 12.2. That is 0.3. Height is 3 meters. We are considered. Therefore, quantities. Long wall C is length 7.6 is center to center. Plus both the side you have to add. That would be of 7.9, 0.3 and 3. And the T is 3.8 center to center line length. Plus both the side you have to add. That is of 2 into 0.3 divided by 2. That would be of 4.1. 4.1 and 3 meter. And next short wall E is 7.6 is center to center length minus 2 into 0.3 divided by 2 you have to do. That would be of 7.3, 0.33. And next 7.6 is center to center length for F wall minus 0.3 you have to deduct because of intermediate wall, and 2 into 0.3 divided by 2. That would be of 7 meter, 0.3 and 3 meter. And next G and H center to center is of 3 meter minus 2 into 0.3 divided by 2. Therefore, it will be of 3 meter, 0.3 and 3. Next I wall is 3.25 minus 2 into 0.3 divided by 2. That would be of 2.95, 0.3 and 3 meter. Okay, and 2.95 will be same for J also, that is 0.3 and 3 meter. Get K wall is 4.3 center to center minus 2 into 0.3 divided by 2. Therefore, length will be of 4 meter. No, one more reduction you have to do in the 4.3 wall, that is minus 0.3. Therefore, the length will be 3.7, 0.3 and 3. Quantities are calculated. You can calculate sum of all. That is verify your answer with the previous numerical of central line method, whether you are getting 59.67 or not. This would be of your total quantity of brickwork. You need to do the deductions in brickwork also. That is, wherever openings are there, those you have to consider for deductions. That I'll be considering from deductions of previous sum. All openings we have to consider for deduction. Door D, D1 and D2 variety, windows W, W1 and W2 variety, and ventilators. How many doors are there? 1. D1 is of 4 number and D2 is of 1 number. W is of how many number? W is of, in living room there are 4 and in bedroom 1, total of 5. And in W1 there are 3 in the bedroom, therefore you can write 3. And W2 are 1 in kitchen and 1 is in bathroom, therefore 2. And ventilator is of 1. Dimension are known to everyone, so multiply with the dimensions. Okay, low dimension is 0.9, that is 0.3, height is 2.1. Okay, and 0.75, D1, 0.3 and 2.1 dimensions. 0.6, 0.3 and 2.1 dimensions I am writing directly. And next is W, that is window, that is 1.5 by 1.26, 1.5, 0.3, 1.26. Okay, and next W1, the dimension is of 1.2 by 0.9. And next is of 0.9 by 1.05. Dimensions 0.45 by 0.3 by 0.6 for ventilator. You got the values?
सर D2 का नंबर 1 है और हाइट 1.8.
Okay, height is of 1.8. Number 1. Fine. Therefore, total will be of 7.2623. To 4 it will be. Round figure value. Therefore, net quantity would be, no, net quantity we cannot calculate now. Still, we are having lintel. Lintel we have considered 10 centimeter on each side extra. Whatever lengths are there, that will be added by 10 centimeter. Numbers will be given. If length is 0.9, both the side 0.11, you have to add extra for lintel, that will be of 1.1. Next, 0.75 plus 0.2, it will be 0.95. 0.6 plus 0.2, so 0.8. 1.5 plus 0.2 is 1.7. 1.2 plus 0.2 is 1.4. 0.9 plus 0.2 is 1.1. 0.45 plus 0.2 is 0.65. Okay, that is 0.3 for all. Next, height for all will be considering as 15 centimeter. Okay, therefore quantities will be up to second digit only you have to consider. Therefore, quantity of lintel will be any other deduction in breakwork? $9.6. So net quantity of brickwork will be 59.67 minus 7.24 minus 0.96. 1.48, whether you are getting the same answer or not, verify and post your answer in chat box whether you are getting same or not. 51.48. Central point would be of lintel is done, brickwork is done. Next is of RCC slab. RCC slab quantity, we can say it as same calculation. Internal plaster also same calculation, deductions also same, external plaster also same. So I can copy paste the same. You need to rewrite. Don't do copy paste as I am doing. Okay. So there will be no change by long wall short wall method as well as central line method while calculating the plaster and RCC slab and paints. It will be same only. Now calculate RCC slab and then internal plaster, then external plaster. Calculate all values whether we will be getting the same answer or not. Verify. Because you are writing the same values, there will be no change. The answers also. Okay. And go for next sum. Or you want to complete this one? Any answers? Oh, you can take the screenshot also. Then you can write afterwards in your notebook. Don't waste too much of time in drawing the diagram also. Okay. Any answers for central line length? But he has given yet.
सर क्रॉस सेक्शन देखो ना सर.
Section देखेंगे. Okay. Bottom length is breadth is of 1 meter and height of excavation, that is below ground level, is of 1.5 meter. Thickness of PCC is 200 mm and width of first footing is 600 mm and width of second footing is 500. Width of third footing with length is 400 and wall thickness is 300. That is all in terms of mm. At the side it is given wall thickness is of 300 mm, length level is 600 mm, floor to floor height is 3000 mm, it is of 3 meter. Slab thickness is of 120 mm, that is 0.12 meter. And schedule of openings is given, that is D1 is 1.1 by 2.1, D2 is 1 meter by 2.1 and D3 is 3.9 by 2.1. Opening is 1.2 by 2.1 and window W1 is 2 by 1.3, W2 is 1.8 by 1.3, W3 is 1.5 by 0.8, ventilator is 0.6 by 0.4. All schedule of openings are given. dimensions are given for all. The height of first footing, second footing, and third footing is not given. The diagram you can see. Those you can consider as 500, 500, and 300. Below ground level, and above ground level it will be of 600, which is given. Okay. Here, if you see the diagram, in this, the only PCC bed or the concrete bed height is given. This height you consider as 500 meter, 500 mm. And second footing also consider 500. The total is given as 1500. In that 200 will be of concrete bed, and 500 will be first footing, 500 will be second footing, and remaining 300 will be the third footing up to ground level. That will be of 300. And above ground level is of 600 length level. This is given over here, length level. In the question only it is given. Okay, like that consider the heights. Hopefully somehow might have calculated the central line length. First section is over, I can see how I have calculated the central line length. Nobody yet? The heights of each steps I am saying, the total depth is given, that is 1.5 meter or 1500 mm is given in the question. That you have to divide into separate steps. 200 mm is given for bed of concrete. 500 will be considering for first footing, 500 will be considering for second footing, and third footing will be considered as 300 below ground level and above ground level 600. Above ground level value is directly given. Only 1500 has to be divided into 200, 500, 500 and 300. Okay, like that height you consider. Width are given in the cross section. That is, base width is 1 meter, first footing width is 600 mm, second footing is of 500 mm, and third footing is of 400 mm, and wall is of 300 mm. Okay, clear, Suresh? Total central line as per Omkar is 53.15. Any other answers? See the plan, calculate. Don't consider that one. And calculate the central line length.